Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see Java developer roadmap. In the other videos, I will try to do uh, .NET developer is nothing but a C sharp developer, or UI developer is nothing JavaScript based framework, Angular developer or React developer or DB developer. Like coming to Python, Django, Python developer, okay, and some Android developer. These all roadmaps I'm going to do, but in this video we are going to do Java developer roadmap. Get into the next slide. Okay, everyone has to complete their graduation because most of the companies will ask graduation as a mandatory skill because they will have some knowledge compared to the other thing. So degree is a mandatory for if you are fresher, try all the jobs. There are banking jobs, call center jobs, and some other jobs are the n number of jobs there in the market. So as a fresher, try that all jobs. Okay, after that if you are not able to get, try to learn some programming languages. If you are interested to come into the IT industry, try to learn Java or C or Python, any language, whatever you wish, you learn it, no issue with that. Okay, so coming to this, learn Java. With Java, try to get some knowledge, only knowledge, not mandatory. You have to learn Java in the proper way, and DB and HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You learn basics of the those things. It will help you to crack the interviews because in the interview, if you think that 45 minutes session is there, if you're having Java knowledge, they will spend 20 to 30 minutes. You can easily crack the interview with this knowledge. Okay, then after that if you still want to learn something, try to learn some technologies like servlet, JDBC, JSP. See, technology is nothing but Java is a language. So language is a commonly developed for all the purpose, all the applications like Android, web application, in number of remote application or networking application. These all things will be having in the Java. So technologies are divided. If you want to go into web application development, you have to learn servlets. If you want to go networking, there will be some technologies will be there. So that are the simplified the coding of writing in the Java. Instead of we writing the all the code, technologies provide some code to develop specific to web application. Coming to servlets, I'm saying. Okay, after that still you if you're interested, go for Spring framework. Not only Spring, there are a number of frameworks will be there, but Spring is the most popular. Spring, what will we do, they will hide the Java concepts and technology concept. That means internally they will use that all concepts. You no need to worry about it. You need to focus on the web application development by learning the Spring framework. It is easier to develop the application. You no need to worry about Java writing and technology based configuration. You no need to take care. So okay, in this video I just kept as a simple. I can give roadmap with around 20 technologies and framework, but I don't want to give complicate for freshers. If you are experienced, that is different. Okay, these are the minimum things you can learn and you can get a chance of getting job is more. Okay, okay, don't try to learn some other things related to job. These are the minimum things you have to learn. I can give a number of things, but it's waste because it's a learning process. It is not a one step process to learn all things. If you want, learn Java. If still interested, go for Spring framework. Learn in YouTube. Don't waste your time for going in institutes or something. Okay, pay small amounts. If you want, you can learn in YouTube or any other online platform. Okay, then next, if you are still interested, learn C, Python, Android, because after going companies, there is no guarantee that you are going to work as a Java developer. But if the company is hiring based on your technology means, they mostly give. But if they don't have jobs on that, what they will do, they will take you and they will keep in the testing team because you have the some knowledge about the Java or some other knowledge you will having. So it will helpful you to understand the application, do the testing. Okay, so nothing wrong. If whatever you learn, it's helpful you. The main thing, see, whatever degree or BTech student, they will have the C, Java, and RDBMS and web technologies. So if you're having degree means you are giving guarantee that I am going to have these skills. So if you don't have, that is not good now. So try to learn this, or whatever you have in the your colleges, try to learn the outside from the YouTube. Okay, if you are still interested, you can try this Android, Python, C language. Okay. Yeah, thank you. I hope you like the video.